Okay, now we essentially have our selection we've just made with our Magic Wand tool, and we want to go through and modify the selection that we have. So we're going to use our Quick Mask tool to do that. So press Q for our Quick Mask, and basically it bathes hide in a light red shade, which is the color of our mask. And we're going to use B for brush, so we'll click B on our keyboard. Access is our brush tool, and we want to make sure that we have black and white color selected, so I'll press D for that to give me a black and white color. And I'm going to use my bracket keys to resize my brush here. I'm essentially just going to paint away those issues that I'm having around the arms there. And now I'm going to press Q to go outside of my Quick Mask tool, and I'll notice right off the bat that I essentially have hide selection fixed up for me very nicely. So that's going to give me a full selection. So I can zoom out here, create myself a new canvas, default Photoshop size here. And now I'm ready to drag this hide over to a new selection. And what will happen when I use my selection tool is if I'm inside these marching ants with the changes to a scissor, I'm going to notice that I clicked and drag, I would actually drag the background, which is not what I want to have happen. So I want to inverse this selection, so I'll go to Select and Inverse. And now when I roll inside the marching ants, I essentially have hide there with my scissors. I click and drag this onto a new canvas, which is exactly what I want. So just a select, inverse selection will basically swap that selection to give us what we want here, and now we have him against a new background.